Well, YouTube, we're visiting the peach capital of the world today, Johnston, South Carolina, in Edgefield County. And a lot of this video will be in double speed because, well, right now I don't know if I'm in Johnston or not. We passed one sign that said Johnston, but it's a whole other mile up the road before you see the Johnston in town limit sign. So I want to include it all. I just double speed it up until those town limit signs. Another thing is, I actually came to visit the Peach Blossom Festival in Johnston, but I did not actually attend because of the rain. Didn't feel like walking around Main Street in the rain. I look forward to trying to attend it another time, though. And due to the parade, there was a lot of detours, so I couldn't go down Main Street. I think they call it Calhoun Street, if I'm not mistaken, though. And had to do a lot of detours, and once I determined, yeah, it's raining heavy enough not to get out, which it may not look like it is in this video, but it was, and it continued to rain for a couple more hours afterward, so it kind of just ruined that part of the trip, but it's what it is. Here is the detour, and I had to detour around the festival, so we're missing a lot of the main part of the town in this video, but we also get to see some other parts of town that you may not have ever seen before if you've just drove through or never been. Another thing is all those detours caused me to have to go back into the town later on the way to Edgefield and a whole other part of the town, a much more what people might say country or rural side of the town. So that will be in the video as well, also in double speed. But anyway, Johnston is called the peach capital of the world because it grows a lot of peaches. And that's why they have the Peach Blossom Festival. And here we're going to go into, or go by the festival now. You'll see a lot of people walking, parking, going. Which was good to see, especially in the rain, but I have a strong feeling because the parade was getting ready to start at this point that there really wasn't that many people, so the weather definitely had to affect that, as you would expect. Here's where a lot of the parking was going on. People walking with their umbrellas. And there's downtown, as you can see. Sign says chicken. And look at the X's for liquor. Over on that building, older and peaches in the windows of the building on the left. It looked like a nice town. So let's learn a little bit about it. I'll pull this from Wikipedia because I think this is very interesting what it says about the ridge. The ridge is an area of a fertile plateau between clay hills to the north and sand hills to the south, and it runs about 30 miles. And I'm assuming Ridge Spring is in that ridge as well. That would be why it would be called that. But anyway, they call it Johnston the hub of the ridge because it is located at the meeting place of three rivers which flow from the ridge. And this ridge is very good for growing peaches. So, that's pretty interesting. Some information that may not have known before. There's an older building there. Has a detour there. Looks like a church. I did not see exactly what it was, but it's what it favors. Well, it could be a city building, actually, because they were connected there. Not quite sure. But anyway, I'm going to put some music on and just enjoy the rest of Johnston, South Carolina. It is in double speed. I do leave town limits and go right back in a different part of the town, so the video will not be, there's some road mist, I guess, what you'd say, and then it turns right back on, so It's not cohesive. But that was Johnston, South Carolina. Enjoy the rest of the video.